All right, here we go on Education Galaxy. What we're going to be doing this week is we're going to be reviewing because next Tuesday is our district CBA in math. But you guys will be perfectly okay because we have been reviewing and reviewing and reviewing, and all of you have been doing awesome. So I expect you to do awesome next week. All right, it's going to be no big deal. So we're going to play games today to figure out how smart you are. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the first link right here. It says My Assignments. It's the red bar. It's the red bar. And then it'll say New. That's because I just assigned it last night. So you can click on Math. And when you click on Math, you'll see different activities right here. We're going to do the first one together. We're going to do actually each of these together the next several days. Each one's a little different. Okay? So we're going to do representing whole numbers. Right? That's the one we're doing. So click on that, start activity. Everybody, start assignment. Everybody good there? Yes? Yes? Awesome. All right. I don't see hands. I see thumbs up, so that's good. Oh, do you have a question, Ms. Cox, or are you good? You're on mute, Mason.
I don't know if we're in the right spot or not.
Okay, so are you on Education Galaxy?
Yes.
Okay. And then you click on this My Assignments tab.
Yes, we did that.
And then you click on Math.
What did you? Yes, click on math.
And then it'll pull up these 5.
I don't know how to play that game. He clicked Stardust and he doesn't know how to play that game.
Okay, so when you click assignment, you'll have different games that you can play. There's several games that are locked. Once you sign up as a parent, quote unquote parent, observer, then these two will open up. That's up to y'all whenever you get a chance. That's why they're jumping up and down, so that they're asking families to join. But some of them are locked, some of them are not. So I, as a teacher, want to do no game just to make it go faster. But you guys will get to choose whether you want to play Blast Off or if you want to play Tap Rocket. Tap Rocket's kind of like the bird game, you know, where you keep the bird in the air. Like Tappy Bird, Floppy Bird, whatever it's called. And then this one is just a rocket. You blow up the little rocket thing. So it's pretty cool.
Mr. Clem?
Yes. Who's calling me?
But if you have it, you can go to boss battles if you just have it.
Absolutely. If you've already unlocked one of the other games, I say go for it, sweetheart. If you're really good at it and you want to do that, I say go for it. It's awesome. Good for you. All right, you ready? All right. So, which shows 783 written in expanded form? So expanded is when we write it out like this right here. So we have to pick it as a class. You ready? Which one is the right answer? So looking at question number 1, raise your hand if it's A. Okay. Raise your hand if it's B. All right. Raise your hand if it's C. Raise your hand if it's D. Okay, I got a little bit of mixture of answers here, so let's work it out. Ready? This one, the problem with this one is it's not expanded all the way. This right here, they forgot to expand the 83. They just did 83 by itself. So that one can't be it because it's not expanded. So that A's out. This one is expanded, but we're not going to click it yet. We're going to make double sure. Once you get one answer right, we got to make sure that the other 3 are wrong. Okay, always and forever. This one it does equal 783, but they forget to add. When you do it expanded, you got to do 700 plus 80 plus 3, and they forgot to expand the 80 right here. Oops, that can't be it. And then this one is just 700 plus 8 plus 3. Well, they forgot to do 80. Oops. So the correct answer is B. 700 plus 80 plus 3. So once you click on it, if you get it right, hopefully it'll cooperate with me, and then you get to play the game while you race. Tyler, did I see your hand? Tyler, go ahead. Oh, it's going to make me play a game anyway. Cool. I get to play a game. What's up? You need help? Okay, that's what we're doing together.
No. He needs to
What-
know how to get.
What do you need help?
He needs to know how to get into the
Oh, how to get into the activity?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant help with the problem. I'm sorry. I apologize. So what you do is you go into, you know how to get an Education Galaxy, right?
Yes.
Are you in Education Galaxy?
Okay. Just a second.
Everybody else is playing the game real quick, and then we'll get to the next question.
Okay.
And then the first link, it says My Assignments.
Okay.
So you click on that and then Math, and it's literally the first link in that list. It says representing whole numbers, and it'll say Start Assignment.
Okay. Represent whole numbers.
Yes, ma'am. It's the first one. Good? And then you can pick a game if you want to play a game or not. Alright, we'll see how bad Mr. Clem is at this game.
It won't open. Oh, never mind.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Alright, we'll see how bad I am at this. So I hold down my mouse. Yay, it exploded. I did it right. Yes, CJ.
It's not letting me click B.
It's not letting you click B. So what if you wrote on it, what you may have to do is click the little X up here. You can use this right here, and then you can click the little X. Click that little X and then do it. Okay? Alright. I hear some of it exploding, so that's good. Yes, Brielle.
Can I download it on my tablet?
You don't have to download it, but you can play it on your tablet, yes.
Okay.
You just you just have to log into My Burkeville Schools, the portal. That's why I think it's easier just to do it on the computer. Alright, hopefully it'll cooperate, go fast. My internet's working today, it's just slow. Alright, ready? Alright, here we go. Problem number 2. Which shows 709 written in word form? So, let's look at option A. Option A says 719. Is that what it wants? 709? 719? Is that what it wants? Nope, that's not it. 709. Is that what it wants? So far, so good. This one says 79. Is that the same as 709? No. And this one says 790. That one doesn't match. So what I do, friends, is I go through and I write next to each one, show my work. When I show my work, my grade goes up. The answer is B. Just make sure, I hear some of y'all talk at like the mini lessons talking, so make sure that the answer choice may or may not be B on your screen. It may be something else. It'll still be the 709, whichever answer choice says 709. Does that make sense? You know, on your answer choice it may be C, it may be D, but the answer is 709. Okie dokie. All right, see how bad I am. What's up, Elijah? I hear tapping, but I don't. Did you have your hand up, Elijah?
Yes, I'm here. It was B, but it said it was wrong.
Okay, so again, 709 was the answer, but you gotta make sure that's what it says. Okay, because mine says B, but your answer choice may be C or maybe D. So you gotta actually look for the number 709. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Tyler, is it working now, dude? Tyler, is it working? You good? Yes? Okay. I was waiting for like a thumbs up or something. Alright, here we go. Ready? We're gonna do 3 more together, and I'll let you do the rest of it by yourself. But because it's a whole lot of fun. I would like to do at least 5 or 6 with you for sure. Alright. Which shows 652 written in word form. So word form is when you do in words. Alright? So looking at my we'll raise our hand based on my answer choices, okay? Then what you'll do is you'll find the right answer on your screen. Does that make sense? So 6,052. Is that the right answer? 6,052. If I write, what happens if I write out 6,052? 6,052. Does that look the same as that? No. So that's out. 652. Does that look the same? 652. 652? Yes. How about 652? This one is just 652. Is that the same? No, that's totally different. How about 600? 605, 2. That's what that one says. So, again, my answer is B. Your answer may not be B. Find the one that says 652 written out like that. Okay? Your answer choice may be different than mine. That's what we just discovered. Okay, so find out the one that says 652 correctly. And then you get to play the game. Go. Yes, Penny. Are you playing?
It won't let me go to the next one. I clicked the next button and then it disappeared and it won't let me go to the next question.
Okay, then what you may have to do, sweetheart, is you may have to go back into Education Galaxy and click on the red tab and go back into the assignment. The good part about the program is that it saves your progress.
Hey, Mr. Clem, that's happened to us a couple times already today.
Is it?
I X'd it and I went right back and it was right back in there.
Huh, okay. So,
Because it happened to us too. It just
It
gets
happened-
frozen up.
oh, and I noticed mine is slow too. It's like skipping a little bit, so I'm sorry. The good thing about this program though is it doesn't make you start all over.
Right.
So I think, thank goodness for that, because like that pre-test that was 50 questions long, that would be horrible to. It'd be horrible if you had to restart every time.
Yeah. It went right back to the same problem. every
Jack
time.
checked out an 87-page book. He read some pages last night. Now he has 53 pages.
See, even
left to
mine's
read.
slow.
How many pages did Jack
Sorry.
read last night?
All right, let's see if I can make it blow up, and then we'll do 2 more. All right, cool. That's a really cool sound effect. I love that. All right, look at this place value blocks. What number do the blocks show? What number does the block show? So what I do when I do these kind of problems is I label it. So the first one is 100. The second one is 100. The third one is 100. So it's 100 plus 100 plus 100.
Page number 87 and page number 53 in his book. What page will Jack
Uh-oh,
read
somebody's not on
tomorrow?
mute. Thank you. What's 100 plus 100 plus 100? 300. 300. So this is 300. How many tens are there? How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 70. And then how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. So if I write this all out, what number would it be? 373. Which one matches that? Is it A? Nope, that says 30. That's out. This one says 300 plus 700. Is there 300 plus 700? No. How about D? 100? Is there more than one 100? Yes. So therefore the answer for me is C. We want to find the one that says 300 plus 70 plus 3. Okie dokie. So 300 plus 70 plus 3. Yes, Elijah.
Mr. Clem, it's showing that it's like someone's trying to hack the computer, so it took them off.
Oh no. I'm so sorry.
And it's not letting me reload the page.
So what you may have to do is stop the Chromebook, go ahead and turn it off all the way, like shut down, and then go back into it. And like we said, it'll save the progress of the assignment, so then he can go right back into it and continue where he's at.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Hopefully that'll fix it. That should. That's what happened to me yesterday when I was loading the assignment and it was, my computer was acting crazy, so that's what I had to do.
Okay.
All right.
I'll do that right now.
Yes, ma'am. All right. So 300 plus 70 plus 3. Voila. All right. So I would like for you to finish this activity. We did the first 5 for you. Hopefully the computer will cooperate with us on the games and not get stuck again. I hope. Like it's been doing on me too. But I hope you have fun doing this activity. All right. I would like for you to go ahead and finish it yourself. All right. At least you get to play games when you're finished, so that part's cool. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye. Love you guys. Bye, guys. All right, I'm gonna stop my video and I'll answer questions.